Today in this video we are going to study about birds' name. Sparrow, crow, peacock, it is a national bird. Duck, parrot, kingfisher, owl, pigeon, eagle, swan, penguin, hen, and the last one, ostrich. So students, we saw so many birds and got to know their name. What are they? Let's see in the pictures and identify. Look at the pictures and identify the name of the birds. You will also see some common birds around you. Okay, so please identify and know the names. And please like, subscribe and share for more such videos.